Okay, so if you look over here, pointed towards the basin, there's two holes. So this is the big side, this is the small side. You're gonna fill it with both sides with cold water. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a little bit of, so you're gonna put a calf full of this, so that's how much you put into it. And it's ready to go. That's the setup, very, very easy. And then these are interchangeable, so it doesn't matter. You can mix and match. They both can screw on. And then once you do that, okay, the shampooer you're gonna put on the floor. Okay. And then you're gonna put this upside down. There's only one way to do that, okay? And see over here? You're gonna push it all the way forward. That's the soap cycle. Then the rinse cycle. And then the suction. And then the suction, just keep going over it until you don't see any more water coming out, okay? And then see how there's a stain there? What I'm gonna do, this is for urine, for like blood stains, coffee, pizza stains, sauce, any kind of strong stain, this will help out with it, dissolve it. So what you do is you spray it on there a little bit first, on both sides, you know, wherever you see it's like a pre-stain, pre-spot, remove them. So if the cat spits up or has an accident, you'll be able to hook it up. Did you try anything on there yet or no? Okay, good, perfect. All right, so the machine, if you look over here, okay, I'm gonna lift it up, that's gonna be empty because the dirty water is gonna get sucked into there.
Right.
All right, remember how to release the power head? Just push down with your foot, lift the pipe up. So I'm gonna push down on that gray pad, comes right off. And then what do? Just connect it on here, check it out. You see it from there?
Yep.
Yeah, and then that's it, it's ready. So I'm gonna turn the machine on. Okay. So right now it's spraying soap and water. It's scrubbing, but it's also sucking it up too. See? Check that out. So you're spraying, you're scrubbing. Oh my God, look at the color. That's a good run to demonstrate on. Well, you said that's where the kitty hangs out, right?
So you're pressing the trigger.
Right now, yeah, I'm pressing the trigger. So it's spraying, it's scrubbing, but it's also sucking up.
But then after you do it, then you release it and I'll get the rest of the
So
water.
right now, so on this cycle, just keep pressing it. Right there, it's spraying, it's scrubbing, but it's also sucking up. So you can leave it pressed, is what I'm saying. Now in here, put a little bit more. But that's where that stain was. Kind of like a free soap, you know? Alright, now it's the rinse cycle. Push it one back. You'll see a drop of water. That means that it's clean water. So now you're not putting soap, it's just putting clean water there. And rinsing it. That looks really good. Once you rinse it, then you push the button all the way to the back. Now it's nothing but suction. When I press the trigger, it's just making the roller brushes bend. And you could do it without the trigger too, just so you know. It'll still, you see how you're sucking up the water?
Right.
That's fantastic.
Now, do I get some of this with my stuff or not?
Yeah, so this is yours. I gave you that one. That's the concentrate. If you have a sprayer bottle, I'll give you some of this just in case you have like a real bad stain. You'll be able to dissolve it. Yeah, that's good. It has enzymes in it. So real bad stains, especially on like cat piss, very smelly. So you'll be able to deodorize and disinfect it with that.
Oh no, he doesn't go in the house.
Oh, that's good. But sometimes when they throw up, the acid from your stomach is very hard to get out The other stuff, the other solutions, they're not as powerful. They water it down is what it is. So you have to buy more of it. Wow, that was a good stain to use it on. All right, and then if you look down here, okay, for maintenance, when you're done, put it upside down, and look down here. Suck up a little bit of water that's there. Suck up a little bit of water that's there. Then let the machine run for 2 or 3 minutes. That dries out the pipe and the hose.
Okay.
And then see my thumb here? See that lip?
Yep.
If you push it forward, you can rinse this as well. So you go to the sink, rinse it, and then you slide it right back in, and that is ready to go. This you just flush out. And there it is. You can stop it there.